Good morning children. These video classes are very useful for 10th standard students as well as the forthcoming 10th students. So listen the videos carefully and work out in classwork and send it through WhatsApp. And yesterday we completed in exercise 1.2 first 3 sums completed. Today we are going to see its continuation. Children listen, exercise 1.2 fourth question. Represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram. B subdivision, A graph, C subdivision, A set in roster form wherever possible. Again, represent each of the given relations by A subdivision, an arrow diagram, B subdivision, A graph, C subdivision, A set in roster form wherever possible. Okay, listen, there are two questions. First question, both of the questions are given in set builder form. Okay, listen, the first question, here we want to complete the flower bracket. Okay, listen, a set is given by, that is the set builder form is given by x comma y, that is the relation x comma y. The relation x comma y such that x is equal to 2y, comma x belongs to, not equal to, x belongs to, okay, x belongs to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, which means x belongs to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 means what? Yes, that is x can take the values 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and the next y belongs to the set. Okay, y belongs to the set. Listen, y belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, which means y can take the values 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. That is, y cannot take other than these 4 elements. So y should take 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and x can take the values 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. That is a condition. Again, the relation is given by x comma y such that x is equal to 2y, such that x belongs to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and y belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, first subdivision. Second subdivision, the relation x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 comma x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Okay, here both x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Okay, can you tell me what is natural numbers? Starts from where? Yes, 1 to 3 etc. Natural numbers capital N is equal to 1 to 3 etc. Okay, can you tell me whether natural numbers a finite set or infinite set? Yes, very good. That is infinite set. Natural numbers N is equal to 1 to 3 etc. Infinite set. Okay, the condition is both x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Here both x and y cannot take 10. They takes less than 10 only, which means from where to where? Anyone? Yes, that is x and y can take the values from 1 to 9. Very good. That means x is equal to, that is x belongs to. Okay, x belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 10. Sorry, not 10. That is less than 10 only. That is up to 9. So x can take the values 1 to 9. And y can take the values 1 to 9. Okay. For this we want to answer 3 questions. That is, first arrow diagram, then graph, then set in roster form. Now listen. So listen, part 1. Because there are 2 parts. Listen, first part, second part. Okay. Part 1. In part 1, first let us write given. Given. Okay, what is given? Is given data, this is set builder form. The relation R is given in set builder form. You write the same. Given the relation R is equal to, the relation R is equal to x comma y such that x is equal to 2y, comma x belongs to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, comma y belongs to, okay, that is y belongs to the set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Complete the flower bracket. Listen, this is a first flower bracket for x and this last flower bracket for the set builder form. Okay, starting flower bracket and the completing flower bracket, that is important. So part 1, first you write given is over. Okay, given ready. Next, to find subdivision A, that is an arrow diagram, subdivision B is a graph, okay. Next, subdivision C is a set in roster form, okay. First part 1, given, to find. Now see, take the condition is x is equal to, listen carefully, x is equal to, here given that x is equal to 2y, okay, x is equal to 2y, such that x is equal to 2y is a given condition, such that, can you tell me what is x belongs to, x can take the values, anyone? Good. X can take the values 2 to 5 because of the given condition. Okay, question itself, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs, that is y can take the values, from 1 to 4. Yes, from the question, y can take the values 1 to 4. Okay, what are the 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete the flower bracket. Okay, here that is relation is given by x is equal to 2y. For our convenience, interchange, that is 2y is equal to x. Okay, now any idea? Yes, make y equal to something, that is y is equal to x by 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5. You are going to get the corresponding y values, that's all. Okay, now listen, when x is equal to 2, such that y is equal to x by 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to x by 2. Okay, what is x? Okay, x is equal to 2. So 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Yes. Which implies, what is the ordered pair? Anyone? Yes. 2, 1. Which implies 2, 1 is the ordered pair. Okay. Next, when x is equal to 3, such that y is equal to, anyone? Yes. When x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to, yes, 1.5. Okay. Now, see, when x equal to 3, y is equal to 1.5. 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. Whether 1.5 belongs to y values? Yes, no. Therefore, here y equal to 1.5 is not possible because y can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, and here we can't write ordered pair because 3, 1.5 we can't write. 3 is available in x, but y is not available in y. That is 1.5 is not available in y. Therefore, 3, 1.5 is not a ordered pair for this question. Okay. Now, next one. Good. X is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to x. Substitute x is equal to 4. Okay. By 2, which is equal to, that is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now, whether y is equal to 2 belongs to these y values? Yes. So, we can write ordered pair. Can you tell me ordered pair? Good. 4, 2 is the ordered pair. 4, 2 is the ordered pair. Next, substitute. Next value, x is equal to 4. That is x equal to 4 completed. X equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 completed. Okay, last one. Last one only remains. That is x is equal to 5. Such that y is equal to x is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to x by 2. Therefore, x equal to 5 means 5 by 2. Okay, what is 5 by 2? Yes, 2.5. Whether 5, 2.5 ordered pair possible or not? Yes, not possible. Reason please? Yes, 2.5 not belongs to y values. So, this ordered pair is not possible. Okay, here listen, when x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y is equal to 1, 2 comma 1 is ordered pair. When x equal to 3, y is equal to 1.5, where 1.5 not belongs to y values, therefore 3 comma 1.5 ordered pair not possible. Next, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, therefore the ordered pair 4 comma 2 is possible. 4 comma 2 is possible. Next, when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5, 2.5 not belongs to y values, therefore 5 comma 2.5 ordered pair is not possible. Now can tell me the relation r is equal to, yes, what are the possible relations? There are 4 cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, in which 2 not exist, 2 values not exist, only 2 values only exist. So that is order, there are 2 ordered pairs, namely, yes, 2 comma 1 comma 4 comma 2. Yes, there are 2 ordered pairs only exist. Now come to the question. Here we want to find 3 answers, arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form. So until to this we completed that is ordered pair. Now first topic is arrow diagram. Okay, subdivision A, arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Okay, listen, arrow diagram, let us draw the 2 sets. Okay, listen, first set and second set. Okay, take 2 sets. Now let us consider first set can takes x values, second set takes y values. What are the x values, can you tell me? Good. X is equal to, that is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5. Okay, next, what is that? Is y can take the values, anyone? Yes, y can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now arrow diagram, we want to relate. Okay, how many relations, that is how to relate from the before answer? Listen, 2 comma 1 is possible, one relation, 2 is related to 1. Listen here, 2 comma 1, so 2 is related to 1. Next, 4 is related to 2, so 4 is related to 2. That's all, only 2 possibilities. Over. Okay, now there is small questions. Can you tell me what is domain of this relation? Domain of this relation. Can you tell me domain of this relation? Anyone? Yes, 2 comma 3. So domain of the relation 2 comma 3. Okay. What is codomain of the relation? Can you tell me codomain of this relation? Yes, codomain of this relation is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. That is codomain of the relation given by the second set all the elements. Codomain of this relation is given by the second set all the elements. But domain of this relation is given by 2 comma 3, because here 2 and 4 only related to second set. Here 3 and 5 are not related to any element in the second set. Therefore 3 and 5 not belongs to domain of this relation. So domain of this relation is given by 2 comma 4. Codomain of the relation of this relation is given by all the elements in the second set. And can you tell me what is range of this relation? Anyone? Range of this relation? Yes, 1 comma 2. Okay, again, domain of this relation 2 comma 4. Codomain of this relation all the elements in the second set, and the range of this relation 1 comma 2. Okay, now second topic. Second topic is a graph. Listen, subdivision B, a graph. Okay, a graph. Here consider x can take the values 2 to 5 and y can take the values 1 to 4. According to this, we want to draw the diagram, and here all x values are positive, y value is positive. So it is enough to write a first quadrant graph. No need that is a 4 quadrant graph. It is enough to draw first quadrant graph. Listen, the first quadrant graph is given by x-axis, y-axis, origin 0. Okay. Now plot the points. Here x can take the values 2 to 5. Okay, let us start from 0 to 5. It is enough. Okay, 0 to 5. Okay, first one is 0, 0, next 1, next 2, next 3, 4, 5. Okay. Along y-axis 1 to 4. Enough. Okay. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we want to pair. Say, okay, how many pairs are there? Only 2 pairs. 2, 1, 4, 2. Listen. 2 is related to 1. Listen carefully. 2 is related to 1. Listen. 2 is related to 1. That's all. 2 is related to 1. Okay. This point. So 2 is related to 1. Next. What is the next pair? Yes. 4 is related to 2. 4 is related to 2. So 4 is related to 2. Okay, listen. What is this point? Good. Which is 4 is related to 4, 2. Only 2 ordered pairs only exist. So graph is completed. What is next topic? Yes. A set in roster form. Third subdivision. A set in roster form is given by what is a roster form? Can you tell me? Yes, roster form. The relation capital R is equal to anyone? Yes, 2, 1 and yes 4, 2. Complete. Okay, first part is completed. Part 2. See, for part 2, what is given? Anyone? Given? Suppose given. Given. What is given? Yes. The relation R is equal to, here in this question, the relation R is given in which form? Whether roster form or set builder form or descriptive form. Yes. Set builder form is given. What is a set builder form given in question? Yes, yes. A relation R is given by x, y such that relation R is equal to x, y such that next y is equal to x plus 3, comma, both x and y are the natural numbers, yes, less than 10. So x and y are natural numbers, less than 10. Yes. Complete the flower bracket. Listen again. Part 2, given the relation R is given by x, y such that y is equal to x plus 3, comma, both x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Okay. Now, given topic completed. Now, to find. Listen. To find. What we have to find? Yes. Subdivision A, an arrow diagram. Okay. Subdivision B, a graph. Subdivision C, a set in roster form. A set in roster form. Okay, again given to find. Now take the condition. What is condition? Yes, y is equal to x plus 3. Take the condition y is equal to x plus 3 such that x can take the values, yes, 1 to 9. So x is equal to, that is x belongs to, one can write x belongs to, or x is equal to, both are correct, no problem. That is x belongs to the elements from 1 to 9. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Yes. Next, y belongs to, y can take the values, yes, the same. What are they? Again 1 to 9. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, which is completed. The given condition y equal to x plus 3. Now first substitute x values, that is y is equal to, now listen, when x is equal to 1, such that when x equal to 1, y is equal to x equal to 1. So 1 plus 3, which is equal to, yes, 4. Okay, which implies whether ordered pair possible or not? Yes, possible. That is, when x equal to 1, y equal to 4. Why the ordered pair possible? Yes, here 4 belongs to y set. So which is, that is a 4 can takes, y takes 4 because 4 belongs to y values. So that is why. Which implies, what is ordered pair? Yes, 1 comma 4. Similarly, here after yourself. Okay, start. What is the next x value? 2. Okay, start. Listen. When x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y is equal to, yes, 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Which implies 2 comma 5. Okay, because 2 plus 3, 5. Next, when x is equal to 3. When x equal to 3, anyone? Y is equal to 3 plus 3. Because x equal to 3, so 3 plus 3. Which is equal to 6. Which implies, yes, 3 comma 6. Listen, 3 comma 6. Next, when x is equal to 4. Listen, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to x equal to 4. So 4 plus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 3 equal to, yes, 7. Which implies, what is ordered pair? 4 comma 7. Yes, 4 comma 7. Next, what is next x value? 5. When x is equal to 5, such that y is equal to x equal to 5, so 5 plus 3, which is equal to, yes, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Which implies ordered pair, whether possible? Yes, possible. What is ordered pair? 5 comma 8. Now next, what is next? X can takes, yes, 6. When x equal to 6, such that y is equal to 6 plus 3. What is reason? Yes, y plus 3, therefore x equal to 6, so 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Okay, what is ordered pair? Yes, 6 comma 9. 6 comma 9. Okay, next, x value? Yes, 7. When x equal to 7, such that y is equal to 7 plus 3. Okay, what is 7 plus 3 equal to? 10. Which implies whether ordered pair possible? Yes, 7 comma 10. 7 comma 10. Okay, next x value? Yes, 8. So x equal to 8, comma y is equal to 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, which implies ordered pair. Yes, 8 comma 11. 8 comma 11. Okay. Next x value. Yes, 9. X equal to 9. Such that y is equal to 9 plus 3, which is equal to 9 plus 3 equal to 12, which implies ordered pair. Yes, 9 comma 12. 9 comma 12. Okay. Now, when x equal to 10, yes, not possible, because x can take the values from 1 to 9. That is, both x and y can take the values from 1 to 9. So remember, no one finding that mistake. Listen, here y can take the value, x and y can take the values 1 to 9. Here 7 comma 10, where 10 belongs to y, and y cannot take 10 as well as 11, 12. So that you are not listening correctly. The last 3 is impossible, because 10, 11, 12 are not belongs to y values. So up to 6 only. X takes only 6. See, x can takes up to 9, but y cannot takes 11, 10, 11, 12. So that is why the last 3 are incorrect answers. So that you want to rough it. Okay. X can take the values 1 to 9, okay, but the answer y value is also up to 9 only. Here 6 comma 9, y value 9, so up to 9 only. That is, y value 10, y value 11, y value 12 are not possible. Okay, 6 only enough. Now the first relation R is equal to, relation R is equal to, what are the ordered pairs? Anyone? Ordered pairs? Yes, the first ordered pair, when x equal to 1, y equal to 4, so 1 comma 4. Okay. Next, when next ordered pair, yes, 2 comma 5. Next ordered pair, 3 comma 6. Next ordered pair, 4 comma 7. Next ordered pair, 5 comma 8. Next ordered pair, 6 comma 9. Complete the floor bracket. And how to verify whether this relation is correct or incorrect? Anyone? Yes. X can take the values 1 to 9. So that is the first values. The first value 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So x can takes 1 to 9, but y also takes 1 to 9. Here y can take the values 4, 5, 6, 7. Y takes here y values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here y value 10 not possible, and x value 7 possible, but y value 10 is not possible. So how many ordered pairs? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 ordered pairs only possible for this question. Okay. X takes 1 to 9, but when x equal to 7, your y value is 10. So that is why 7 comma 10 is impossible. 7 comma 10. 7 comma 10 is incorrect. Okay. Similarly, 8 comma 11 and similarly 8 comma 11 and 9 comma 12. So the etc. These ordered pairs are not possible. Okay. It is ideal. Okay. Now subdivision 1. Subdivision A is what we want to find first, arrow diagram. First one is arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram, underline. Arrow diagram is given by, here x can take the values 1 to 9, y can take the values 1 to 9. Yes, first write x values and y values. Children listen. X values. Yes. The first set can take x values and the second set can take y values, and which is a relation R. Okay. X can take the values from where to where? Yes. X can take the values, the set of all natural numbers less than 10. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, Y can take the values, yes, again the set of all natural numbers less than 10. They are, Y can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now again count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what are the ordered pairs? How to relate? Listen. 1 is related to 4. Listen carefully. 1 is related to 4. 1 is related to 4. 1 is related to 4. Next. 2 is related to 5. 2 is related to 5. Next. 3 is related to 6. So 3 is related to 6. Okay. Next. Yourself. Hereafter yourself. Yes. 4 is related to 7. 4 is related to 7. Next. Yes. 5 is related to 8. Okay. Next. Yourself. Yes. 6 is related to 9. 6 is related to 9. So which is the required arrow diagram? So subdivision A completed. Currently what is subdivision B? Yes, A graph. Okay, A graph. A graph. Okay. Now to draw the graph we need x-axis and y-axis. Whether we need all the 4 quadrants, that is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, first quadrant takes only positive values. X-axis positive, y-axis positive. So for this graph, it is enough only first quadrant, because x can take the values first 9 natural numbers, that is 1 to 9, and y values, yes, that also first 9 natural numbers, that is 1 to 9. So for graph, first quadrant graph enough. Yes, listen carefully. It is enough the first quadrant graph, x-axis, y-axis, 0. Okay. Now, x values 1 to 9, because natural numbers less than 10. Y values 1 to 9. Okay. Now start. Listen. 1, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us extend, because there is no place, so I want to extend. So which is x-axis, and this point is, suppose let us write upwards, x, and which is 9. Okay. Now listen. 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay. Along y-axis. Yes. 0. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, suppose 9 here. Okay. Now plot the points. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one is 9. Okay, up to 9. That's all. So x can take the values 1 to 9, and y can take the values 1 to 9. Okay, now we want to consider the ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? Already we know that ordered pairs. First one, see 1 is related to 4. Listen, 1 is related to 4. That's all. So 1 is related to 4. Okay, can you tell me what is this point? Yes, 1 comma 4. This point is 1 comma 4. Okay, next ordered pair, yes, 2 comma 5. 2 is related to 5. Listen, 2 is related to 5. 2 is related to 5. So which means like this. Listen. Okay, can you tell me this point is? Yes, 2 comma 5. Next ordered pair, yes, 3 comma 6. 3 is related to 6. Listen, 3 is related to 6. Okay, 3 is related to 6. So can you tell me this point is? Yes, 3 comma 6. Okay, next, yes, 4 comma 7. Listen, 4 is related to 7. Yes, this point, 4 comma 7. Next, yes, 5 comma 8. 5 is related to 8. Listen, 5 is related to 8. So 5 is related to 8. Can you tell me this point is? Yes, 5 comma 8. Next ordered pair whether possible? Yes, 6 comma 9. Okay, listen, 6 is related to 9. So this point is 6 comma 9. Okay, next x can takes also 7, 8, 9. Now what is 7 is related to? Yes, there is no ordered pair. So up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how to verification, please? Anyone verification? Yes. That is, listen, y is equal to x plus 3. Y equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3. Which means y is equal to, where x equal to 4 and plus 3, so equal to 7. So y equal to x plus 3, y is equal to x plus 3, so the verification correct. And also from the arrow diagram, can you tell me what is a range of this relation? Can you tell me anyone? Range of this relation? Range of this relation? Yes. Range of this relation R is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Yes, your answer correct. Next, can you tell me what is a codomain of this relation? Codomain of this relation? Yes, all the elements in y values. That is, codomain of this relation is given by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, similarly, can you tell me what is a domain of this relation? Yes, domain of this relation is given by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Whether 7, 8, 9 belongs to domain? Yes, no. Here domain of the relation R is given by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. And codomain of this relation is given by taking all the elements in the second set. And range of this relation R is given by 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So third subdivision is given by third subdivision C, A18 roster form. A18 roster form. Okay. A18 roster form is given by, that is, the relation R is equal to. The relation R is equal to, can you tell me what is ordered pairs? That is, A18 roster form is nothing but set of ordered pairs. Yes, okay. Anyone? Yes, 1 is related to 4, 1 comma 4 comma, yes, 2 is related to 5, 2 comma 5, yes, next, yes, 3 is related to 6, 3 comma 6, next, 4 is related to 7, okay, next, 5 is related to 8, comma, 6 is related to 9, complete the floor bracket, okay. And how to verify? Verification please. Yes, what is the condition? Y is equal to x plus 3. So, listen, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 3, because y is equal to, your condition is y is equal to x plus 3. So, verification very simple. That is 1 plus 3 equal to 4, okay, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, likewise 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 4 plus 3 equal to 7, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 6 plus 3 equal to 9, that's all. Okay, in this relation, can you tell me domain of this relation from the through this ordered pair? Domain of this relation, yes, the first elements are called domain. Okay, domain of the relation R is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, can you tell me what is a range of this relation? Yes, second elements are called range. So, range of the relation R is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. And any idea to recall? Yes, yesterday I told a doctor. So, listen, D comma R, 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 D comma R. So, which is from this relation we can find easily domain and range. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants A, comma, clerks C, comma, managers M, and an executive officer E. The company provide rupees 10,000, comma, rupees 25,000, comma, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories assistant, comma, clerk, comma, managers and executive officers respectively. If A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4 and A5 were assistants, comma, C1, comma, C2, comma, C3 and C4 were clerks, comma, M1, comma, M2, comma, M3 were managers and E1, comma, E2 were executive officers, and if the relation capital R is defined by X is related to Y, where X is the salary given to person Y, express the relation capital R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. Listen, the question may be paragraph question, but the concept is very easy. Listen again one more time. The question is, a company has 4 categories. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants capital A, clerks capital C, managers capital M And then executive officers, capital E, of the company provide rupees 10,000, comma, rupees 25,000, comma, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories assistant, comma, clerks, comma, manager and executive officers respectively. If A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, comma, C2, comma, C3 and C4 are clerks, M1, comma, M2, comma, M3 were managers, E1, comma, E2 were executive officers, is defined by the relation X is related to Y, where X is the salary, listen, where it is important, where X is the salary, where X is the salary given to the person Y. Express the relation R through an ordered pair, and an arrow diagram. Okay. In this question, how many questions we are asked to find? Yes, 2 questions. They are ordered pair and an arrow diagram. So we want to answer ordered pair of the relation capital R and arrow diagram of the relation R. So 2 questions we want to find, ordered pair and arrow diagram. Again, listen, in this topic, here, say, can you tell me how many assistants are there in the company? Yes, 5. So there are 5 assistants. Okay, there are 5 assistants. And whose salaries? Yes, that is each assistant can get rupees 10,000. Very good. Listen, rupees 10,000 for assistants. Okay. Rupees 10,000 for assistant, that is assistant 1 gets 10,000, assistant 2 gets 10,000, that is each assistant can get rupees 10,000. So assistant 1 can get 10,000, assistant 2 get 10,000, assistant 3 can get rupees 10,000, assistant 4 gets rupees 10,000 respectively, assistant 5 also can get rupees 10,000. Next, say there are 5 assistants. Okay, now can you tell me how many clerks are there? Count it. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 clerks. Okay, there are 4 clerks. And what is the salary of each clerk? Yes, 25,000. So clerk 25,000. So we want to map like this. Okay, clerk salary is 25,000. Okay, next. How many managers? Yes, 3 managers. Each manager can get how much salary? Yes, 50,000. Listen, there are 3 managers and each manager can get rupees 50,000. So 50,000 is related to manager. That's the idea. Okay, 50,000 is related to manager. Next, see how many executive officers? Yes, there are 2 executive officers. Each executive officer gets how much salary? Yes, rupees 1 lakh. So this 1 lakh is related to executive officer. Okay, listen again. The relation R is defined from X to Y. So X is related to Y, where X is the salary. So the first one is salary. Okay, first is salary. X is a salary and Y is the person. So we want to relate X to Y. We want to relate X to Y. That is important, which means salary to the person. Okay, we want to relate salary to the person. That means rupees 10,000 for assistant 1, rupees 10,000 for assistant 2, likewise. Next, rupees 25,000 for clerk 1, rupees 25,000 for clerk 2, rupees 25,000 for clerk 3, and similarly rupees 25,000 for clerk 4. So there are 4 clerks are there. Listen, there are 4 clerks. Okay, and there are 3 managers and 2 executive officers, 5 assistants, 4 clerks, 3 managers, 2 executive officers, and their respective salaries. Each assistant can get rupees 10,000, each clerk can get rupees 25,000, each manager can get rupees 50,000, each executive officer can get 1 lakh. Now how to relate? Listen, where X is the salary and Y is the person. So X is related to Y. That means rupees, salary considered as rupees. So rupees related to person. So rupees comma person, rupees comma person. So like that we want to relate. So which is a given condition. We are asked to find 2 quotients. They are ordered pair of the relation R and arrow diagram for the relation R. To solve this sum, let us prepare first one table. For our convenience, let us prepare one table. Listen, to prepare the table, first assistant. Listen, first assistant. Okay, how many assistants are there? Yes, there are 5 assistants. Okay, there are 5 assistants, namely A1. And can you tell me each assistant can get how much salary? Because the question is salary is related to person. So that is first we need salary. So what is the salary for assistants? Yes, rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. Okay. Capital A denotes assistants, and each assistant can get rupees 10,000. How many assistants are there? Yes, there are 5 assistants, namely, yes, assistants namely A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4, comma, A5. Okay, so which is the given information. Okay, similarly yourself, yes, where assistant after clerk. Listen, next clerk. Here each clerk can get how much salary from the given information? Yes, rupees 25,000. Each assistant can get rupees 25,000. Okay, how many clerks are there? Yes, there are 4 clerks. So the clerks namely C1, comma, C2, listen, capital C, capital C1. Okay, capital C1, comma, capital C2, comma, capital C3, comma, capital C4. Okay, there are 4 clerks. Next, assistants, clerks. Next, yes, managers. Listen, managers. Okay, each manager can get how much salary? Yes, 50,000. Listen, each manager can get rupees 50,000. Yes, how many managers are there? Yes, good. There are 3 managers are there, namely M1, comma, M2, comma, M3. Okay, what is the next data? Yes, executive officers, which is capital E, denoted by capital E. Okay, each executive officer can get how much salary? Yes, 1 lakh. That is rupees 1 lakh. Rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Can you tell me how many executive officers are there? Yes, there are 2 executive officers are there. They are E1, comma, E2. Okay. This information let us frame by the table. Listen, let us frame the table. Draw the horizontal lines, then vertical lines. Listen. Then vertical lines. Then again there are, we can frame 3 rows. Listen, first row assistants, clerks, managers, executive officers. Can you tell me what is second row? Yes, their salaries, respective salaries. Assistants can get rupees 10,000, clerks can get rupees 25,000, managers can get rupees 50,000, executive officers can get rupees 1 lakh. Okay, table is ready. Okay, again come to the question. Here, what we are asked to find? Yes, an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. Okay, and what is a relation? What is a given relation? Yes, salary to person. Okay, salary to person. First, if you want to write ordered pair. Now listen, ordered pair. Subdivision A, ordered pair. Ordered pair. Ordered pair of the relation capital R. Okay, ordered pair of the relation capital R is given by capital R is equal to, okay, capital R is equal to, start floor bracket, capital R is equal to, okay, R is related to rupees salary to person. Here salary 10,000 and the person A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 like that. Here 10,000 is related to all the 5 assistants. Rupees 25,000 is related to all the 4 clerks. Rupees 50,000 can be related to all the 3 managers. Rupees 1 lakh is related to all the 2 executive officers. Okay. Now ordered pairs is given by, listen, rupees 10,000 comma A1, the first, that is rupees 10,000 is related to A1. First ordered pair, rupees 10,000 is related to A1, comma, rupees 10,000 is related to A2, rupees 10,000 is related to A2, comma, rupees 10,000 is related to A3. So rupees 10,000 is related to A3, comma, rupees 10,000 is related to A4. So 10,000 is related to A4, that is assistant 4, comma, rupees 10,000 is related to assistant 5. So rupees 10,000 is related to assistant 5. Complete the moon bracket. Here there are 5 assistants. Each assistant can get rupees 10,000. So 10,000 comma assistant 1, 10,000 comma assistant 2, 10,000 comma assistant 3, 10,000 comma assistant 4, 10,000 comma assistant 5. That means taking first element of the first set and pair with all the elements in the second set, which is completed. Now listen, here rupees 25,000 is associated with all the 4 clerks. Rupees 50,000 is associated with all the 3 managers, and 1 lakh is associated with 2 executive officers. Okay, can you tell me what is second row? Anyone? Yes. Listen, second row, rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 1. So start second row. Rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 1, comma, hereafter yourself. Yes, rupees 25,000 is related to C2. Okay, that is C2. Next ordered pair, please. Yes, 25,000 comma C3. Next, 25,000 comma C4. Next ordered pair possible? Yes, no, because there are 4 clerks. Listen, there are 5 assistants, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 clerks, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what is the third row? Yes, that is 50,000 related to manager 1. So third row is given by rupees 50,000 is related to manager 1, comma, yes, rupees 50,000 is related to manager 2, So 50,000 is related to manager 2, comma, rupees 50,000 is related to manager 3. Next, whether 50,000 related to M4? No. Very good. Third row completed. What is the fourth row? Yes. 1 lakh related to executive officer 1 and 1 lakh related to executive officer 2, which means the fourth row is given by, this is an ordered pair, 1 lakh is related to executive officer 1, that is E1, comma, next 1 lakh is related to executive officer 2, that is 1 lakh salary can get executive officer 2 also, that is 1 lakh is related to executive officer 2. Complete the flower bracket. Listen, the relation capital R is given by starting flower bracket and at the end complete the flower bracket and count the number of elements. For there are 5 assistants, 5 ordered pairs, there are 4 clerks, so 4 ordered pairs, there are 3 managers, so 3 ordered pairs, and there are 2 executive officers, so there are 2 ordered pairs. So totally total number of ordered pairs counted 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So here 3 plus 2 5 and first row is 5, so 10 plus 4 14. So there are 14 ordered pairs are there, and because how many employees are there in the company, count it. Yes, count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. There are 4 employees in the company, therefore we get a 4, that is a 14 ordered pairs, 14 employees, so they are respectively 14 ordered pairs which we completed. The second part is an arrow diagram. So first is subdivision, ordered pair, next arrow diagram. Listen the topic, arrow diagram. Part B, arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram. Listen, already we know that what is a relation given this question? Yes, salary to person. So the first set, salary. What is second set? Yes, employees. Okay, so first set, salary. Listen, first set, salary. Second set, employees. Good. Second set, employees. First set, salary. Second set, employees. Okay. Because the relation is given by salary to employee, so that is important. Okay, salary. Say, what are the different kind of salaries? Anyone? Yes, rupees 10,000, comma rupees 25,000, comma rupees 50,000, and rupees 1 lakh. So the first set is filled by salary, namely, listen, namely 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Okay. And second set, employees. There are 5 assistants, then 4 clerks, then 3 managers, then 2 executive officers. Okay, let us fill first employees for our convenience. Listen, first employee is given by assistant 1. Listen carefully. Assistant 1, assistant 2, assistant 3, and assistant 4, assistant 5. Then assistant over. For then leave 1 finger gap to differentiate. Let us differentiate assistant separate, clerk separate, manager separate, and executive officer separate. So that is why leave 1 finger gap, then start clerks. Can you tell me clerks? Yes, good. Clerk 1, clerk 2, clerk 3, clerk 4. Okay. Then leave some gap, then start. How many managers? Yes, there are 3 managers, namely manager 1 and manager 2, then manager 3, yes, which we completed. Next, what is next category? Yes, executive officers. How many executive officers are there? 2. They are E1 and E2. Okay. So employees, there are 5 assistant, 4 clerk, 3 manager, 2 executive officer, which we completed, and their respective salaries in the first set. Okay, what is the salary? Their respective salaries. Assistants can get rupees 10,000. So here I want to write 10,000. Yes, 10,000 we want to relate. Next, clerks can get how much salary? 25,000. Yes, here I want to write 25,000. Next, managers can get rupees 50,000. Listen, here stay to managers, let us write rupees 50,000. Then stay to executive officer, how much salary? Yes, which is 1 lakh. Yes. Now, how to relate? Yes. Listen, first one is rupees 10,000 is associated with assistant 1. Rupees 10,000 is associated to assistant 2 or related to assistant 2. Rupees 10,000 is related to assistant 4. Also 3 also there. Remember, we left 1. Rupees 10,000 assistant 3 is related to assistant 3. Next, rupees 10,000 is related to assistant 5. Yes, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, similarly, hereafter yourself. Yes, start. Rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 1. Rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 2. Next, rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 3. Rupees 25,000 is related to clerk 4. Yes, next, yourself. Yes, 50,000 is related to manager 1. 50,000 is related to manager 2. Next, 50,000 is related to manager 3. Okay. Yes. Now next, 1 lakh is related to executive officer 1 and 1 lakh is related to executive officer 2. So which is the required arrow diagram for salary to employees? Children, listen. Today we completed 2 sums from the relation, and for homework for you, example 3 and 4 left for your homework. So complete your homework in same classwork and send through WhatsApp, and that is 9th to 10th students. Watch the video continuously one sum, then and there complete your classwork. And see, for 10th students, watch the video fully. It is helpful for your coming public examination. Best of luck.